So we are going to look at primitive data type today. Okay, so what is a data type? So whenever you are dealing with any data, it has a types. Okay, for example, if you are holding an integer value, that will be your int data type. If you are holding a string value, that will be your string data type. And if you are holding a floating point or decimal number, it will be your float data type. Also, we have a special data type called Boolean and none. Okay, these all are special data types. So we'll see one by one, starting with integer. Okay, int a equal to 10. Okay, then print a. Fine. So when we run this one, okay, so we don't have to mention int. This is not our C or C++. So we just have to write a equal to 10, then print a. When you run this program, first of all you need to select the current program. Okay, that is your current file, and run. You can see a equal to 10. So 10 is our integer value. Okay, so if you want to check the data type of 10, you just type here print type of a. Okay, so when you run this, okay, just check it out. So class int, it belongs to the class integer, this 10. Okay, similarly this is for your integer. This is your integer value. Okay, integer data type. I will just write it down. Okay, next we'll go to the floating point data type. Okay, floating point data type, for example, say pi equal to 3.14. Okay, this is your variable pi, this is your value 3.14. Okay, so when we print pi, okay, so it will print 3.14. So if you want to check the data type of this pi, just write down here print type of pi. Okay, now you can, once you execute this one, you can see you got the class float, the class int. Okay, this is for int and this is for float. Fine. Next we'll look into the string data type. Okay, string data type, say name equal to my name is programming. Fine. So print name. When I say print name, enter, then print type of name. Okay, so once you execute this, you can check the type of this one. You can see my name is programming is a class string. So you can see whenever anything in between the quotes will be your string. Okay, for example, here name equal to 45. Since we know that 45 is a integer, okay, but still it will show us string. Why? Because we have put within the quotes. Anything within the quotes turns out to be your string. Remember that. Okay, if I write here name equal to 45, then I print here. Okay, you can see the error. Okay, so now it's showing class int. Why is it showing class int? Because we are storing the value integer. Okay, so once I put in double quotes this one 45, so once I run this again, you can see the class changes to str. Okay, so just remember, string is a data type that will hold anything within the double quotes or a single quotes. Fine. Next is Boolean data type. Is raining equal to false. Okay, just remember capital F, false. Okay, then print is raining print type of string. Okay, now once you execute this, you can check the data type. Class Boolean, Bool, bool. Okay, that is your Boolean. And the last one is special data type. Okay, so name equal to none. Okay, print name, print type of name. Okay, so you can see once I execute this one, you will get the class none type. Okay, that means this one is none, that will hold nothing. Okay, null value. So this is our primitive data type that we are going to deal with these things. Okay, this is for integer value, this is for floating point or decimal value, this is for your string value, okay, and this is for your Boolean value, and this is your non-primitive data type. So these are your data types. I hope you get this. We will see next topic in the next video.